Otro ejercicio de My Spanish Lab that is it will be similar to the exercise that I was explaining before about the use of when or cuando. So it will be this one. You just have to choose the appropriate verb. It could be pretérito or imperfect. So the example here will be Raúl tenía 29 años. So you are describing here the context when, cuando se casó. Okay, so it will be similar to the exercise that I explained before. Then another exercise that you will have to write. In this exercise, you are going to tell me where and when was the first time that you did each of these things. So you have to answer and complete sentences telling where and when. Okay. So, for example, ¿comiste algo exótico? Comí caracoles en España. No me gustaron nada. ¿Manejaste un carro? No me acuerdo. Fue cuando cumplí 16 años. So, when was the first time that you saw a concert or you went to a concert, rock pop concert? So, I will say, yo vi un concierto de rock en Bogotá cuando tenía 24 años. So I am telling you where and when. Okay, I did. Another exercise that you have here is you are going to hear when people so you will hear these stories about how different people met, match each story with the image that illustrate it. So you will listen and you just have to you have it's history 1 and 1, 2 and 3. So okay, you have history 1, yeah, historia 1, historia 2, story 1, story 2, story 3, and you have to match each image A, B, and C with the story. Okay, so pay attention. What do you hear about or listen about? In this exercise, now listen again to the stories and how these people met. Then, based on the statements given, select the correct image. So here you have history 1, 2, and 3 again, and you will choose according to what do you listen about the way that they met. Which of these one when they were children, when they met, when they were neighbors and played together. So you have to listen, and according to the stories that you heard, you will choose or you will pick up image A, B, or C. Okay. Then you will have another exercise. It will be a test, and you will complete. You will have here the verbs in brackets, so you will just have to conjugate the verb in the correct tense. Okay. So for example, here el viernes pasada Susana. If you see el viernes pasado, it means that is preterite because of it means that this action start and end in the past. Okay. So you have to pay attention to these situations, if this is background information, if they are describing the characters, if you are talking about the context. And the last one, it will be also a story. You will complete with the correct preterite or imperfect form of the verb. Here again, you have the verbs in bracket. So let me know if you have any trouble or issue with this story that I know is a little harder than another exercise. Okay. So please let me know if you need something. Por favor, déjame saber si necesitas algo. Y hasta la próxima. Adiós.